Have you ever wondered how meditation can change your life? How it can transform your day from a whirlwind of stress to a tranquil haven of peace? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive deep into the world of meditation, exploring the process step by step and uncovering the key takeaways of this ancient practice. At its core, meditation is a simple practice. It doesn't require any fancy equipment or expensive memberships. All it needs is you, your breath, and a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and undisturbed. Begin by finding a serene spot. It could be a corner of your room, under a tree in your backyard, or even a quiet park. The goal is to find a place where you can feel at ease and detach yourself from the external world. Next, sit comfortably. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. The aim is to find a position that you can maintain without discomfort for a while. Remember, there's no right or wrong posture. It's all about what works best for you. Now, close your eyes. This helps to shut off the external world and focus inward. You're not trying to block out all thoughts or achieve a state of mind where you're thinking about nothing. Instead, you're aiming to become an observer of your thoughts, not a participant. Next, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it feels as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or your belly. Don't try to control the breath. Just observe it. When you notice your mind wandering, bring your attention back to your breath. This might happen many times, and that's okay. Every time you notice and bring your attention back, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Gradually, you might begin to notice a sense of calm and peace enveloping you. This is the magic of meditation. It's not about reaching a certain state or achieving something. It's about being present, being mindful, and accepting the current moment just as it is. To wrap up your meditation session, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Open your eyes gently. Take a moment to notice how you feel, not just mentally, but physically too. Remember, there's no rush to jump back into the hustle and bustle of life. Take your time. To summarize, the meditation process involves finding a peaceful spot, sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts without judgment, and gently coming back to reality when you're ready. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery, not a destination. It's about developing a deeper connection with yourself, understanding your thoughts and emotions, and cultivating a sense of inner peace. And remember, like any other skill, it takes practice. So, be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. So, embark on this journey of mindfulness and see how it transforms your life. You might surprise yourself with the tranquility and clarity it brings. Happy meditating!